power line. Oh, well, the safest place to be.
26-foot neg.
Huh?
It's too big to send it on video.
Wow. I just emailed him. I don't know if it is or not.
It's gone at Kenna.
Oh, is it?
That's what I'm trying to yell at it, yeah.
So that was crazy though.
Yeah, I've never seen a shit like that. I don't think so.
That was,
the river line stuff up there, that's that top line.
yeah, so we got onshore winds, so that pole leaning the right way. Check out a car.
It's got a tie down, so there's only one tie down.
As it's fixing to get intense.
Yeah, it is.
That car's gone.
Oh my god, that's got me.
You shine the light over there?
Doing good.
It's like high and dry.
Well, I wouldn't say that much.
He's really going out driving.
I wouldn't.
Huh?
I wouldn't have it in the car, but it used to.
Yeah.
When I have it slow.
A big truck like that.
Yeah, you can never use it. As long as you know how to use the clutch.
You imagine riding in it and that. Oh boy, that's a good time waiting there we had.
What?
Riding in an RV.
Huh? Oh, I know.
We got haymakers above your head.
Yeah, I don't see any.
I just let the wind blow my door and the truck opened so hard it threw the mirror off the car.
I'm like, oh, I wonder what that was.
I just picked the mirror
Oh
up.
shit, there's one right there. So that's gonna
That
go.
one?
That was gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
In fact, I'm standing right underneath the haymaker right there. There's a house. This is our old house. Landlord's working. Uh-oh, watch out. I heard a crack. Something's gonna fall. I'm just about to look at the car here. Back up against the fence. Try to keep this from falling. Oh shit. Okay, that's not cool. Thank you, I hope you're hiding. No. Big old trees. Big old palm trees. Big oaks. Sky looks pretty cool though. That RV, boy, that was scary just right now. Some storm and everything. You're not walking underneath that tree. Forgot I got a little flashlight. Hey, is he home at all?
Huh?
You know if he's home?
He's in the one over there with the laundry machine.
Oh, he's staying in the...
Also heard the septic went. The septic fall down. I don't know. That's what they said.
Yeah, I didn't see
Kat said, I'm like, I didn't know.
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, like septic.
It's in their backyard.
No, that's for these two houses.
Oh,
The
really?
ones, if you see the one in the front have a different septic.
Oh, shit. I'm glad I didn't walk over it.
No, that's for that.
He said it was alright. He said that with all the rain, the water table was just
Yeah. Oh, she told me it was the ones up front. I'm like, shit.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's just all that is like like a barrel.
Yeah, it's just a barrel with a drain field. Yeah, them vines are fucking heavy.
I know. I rode out a few bad storms in that trailer in the summertime, and I was like sitting right here in the back corner, and all of a sudden I got freaked out, and
yeah, when you feel the wind.
I didn't know where to run. I was running to the bedroom like, this ain't gonna help, and the dog's trying to follow me.
Interior wall, but there ain't no fucking walls.
Yeah, there ain't no walls in this one.
And I ain't dying on the toilet.
Well, you're dying from a head injury.
Yeah, it's surprised I never slipped and busted my head open on.
I want to go drive down the road.
I know. I used to love that.
Oh, there goes one.
Oh, there goes the fifth one.
Yep. It's only a matter of time now. Yeah, there's gonna be a big gust of wind coming.
I'm gonna get a shower because I feel like gross.
Deep in that. Road.
Oh, I do. Oh, and if you go that way. That way is like low.
Oh, yeah, on
like
River Road to the right.
The lowest land I've ever seen towards the river.
It's like when you're driving, it feels like the river is higher than you.
Yeah, you feel like you're below the river.
And then you see that they got rock like sticking up, like the seawall over here. You have to look down, but over there you have to look up. I went to go check on the car, and as I'm walking here, boing, something's going on.
You're like, what the shit?
Dude. The only thing I don't want the Subaru to get beat up. Ain't nowhere to park around here.
You can park
babe.
I was parking by the shed.
I was gonna park right here, but I was afraid those pipes and stuff were gonna fly and be torpedoes. So I tried to park. I parked up against.
So he parked right behind him.
That's a good lawyer. Yeah, I hope we don't lose power, but it's gonna happen.
Yeah, I believe it is. Let's hope not.
You guys you got generators, so that's good.
Yeah.
But I'm like, why would you buy a battery powered fan? Oh wait, that's a really fucking good idea. No, I did. I was like, that's a really fucking good idea.
I was gonna park right here because I thought these trees are small enough. They're not gonna do much damage. Those are not the soft palms.
Yeah, but you're gonna see those from like baby oaks. Heavy baby oaks.
Baby oaks will be just fine.
Baby oaks. Yeah, that shit right there is gonna go. That one's gonna pull them up.
Yeah, Hurricane Charlie, I lost like 3,000 foot of fence. And so I figured, well, at least I could do is hold this side up, or maybe we could salvage some of it. But yeah, you walk on that street and look left and it's pitch black.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down there and walk now. I want to come out when
it gets a little more hectic?
Yeah.
Oh, we will.
Yeah,
we'll be
out when it gets hectic.
Yeah, I'll give you my number and call.
Well, I'll be at my phone. I'll be passed out.
I doubt I'll be passed out anytime soon. I got to see the whole storm.
It ain't raining in a minute.
No. We got drugs. Oh.
I got to put some WD-40 on.
Stick my finger in there.
He's like, I'm going to get back. I got to sit down on back.
Yeah, they got some big tree over there with house, and that one over our house is not.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna go look around.
Yeah, have fun. Be safe. If you hear a crack, just kind of run.
Let me know if you make it to the end of the boat dock. Oh, there's more sparks right across the street.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a light.
You gotta stay away from the transformer because it explodes.
Oh shit, oh my god. That's not a night light. Oh my god. No, come on.
See the spark on the right?
Oh, that's one.
Yeah. We were right under it.
Watch out right here.
I thought that was huge. Maybe I saw I thought. I don't know if he's finding this everything. See it? That tree's gonna go boom.
That tree's gonna fuck us. Yep. Sure the fuck is. Look, baby, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
We're gonna go on a boat dog, but man.
I got sprayed with. I got.
Is that what happens? That's what happens when the lines get overstretched, right?
Top and bottom line.
That's arguing over there. Oh shit, I just saw something fly. I saw something big fly.
What?
Looking down that way.
Look at the fuck of it down. Look at the water, man. I walked up there and I went, oh, wash your hands.
Man, I want to go to the boat dog, but I took it. We'll wait till it gets more attention. But yeah, that's crazy. That just burned like that before.
That's gonna ruin fuck our dam.
Yeah, that's coming down.
And it's
It's gonna get way worse than this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm coming out.
Yeah, this is just the beginning for
This
us.
is a floater, right?
Yeah.
Born here?
Yeah.
Right on. Where are you born at? Right here. Where I've been? Either? Oh, no shit. That's where we're from.
I was born in Paris Hospital.
Oh, wow.
What school did you go to?
I went to Milton Elementary, and I went to Madison and then National.
That's what my kids went. Well, there was Apollo, and then Enrico went to Mims. He was born in 95.
I went to
And he was born in 91. And they went to Ascot.
I'm close to the
Yeah, I lived in Royal Oak.
Well, you would know it. You would know Indian
World.
Yeah, around Nicholas Drive and Country Club.
Yeah, that's where I live. That's where the house is at.
There's a white house
Okay.
with a pool.
We own a house on 54.
What's the fucking number?
What's the address? Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
I live right by Pistol Wall.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I live in 1725.
The brick house?
That's right.
It's right there.
Vision wall right there.
It's the brick house.
By the Toyota?
Yeah, the right one?
The red Toyota, black one.
Well, I can see your driveway from my
Yeah.
Did you live on the same side or?
I live on the same side.
Oh,
Not
nice.
on Pistol Wall side.
You're probably like one or two
On
homes
the wall
over.
side?
No, the other side.
Our side. Yeah, he's on our side.
And
You know the other street that's right next to this one right there?
Over there?
Yeah, I live, it's directly in the driveway.
Oh,
My dad's,
blue? They always have race cars? Or nice cars or something out there?
well, it's just a truck and old safety truck. My dad's the old guy with the long hair that races.
Oh, really?
That's something like that with my
I used to have a boat, so I used to wave at everybody too, you know?
That's
It's
nice to
like it's a lot on the way back.
Small world, man.
Dude, everybody,
That's why I live there.
when you pass this drive on Winter Club, there used to be just an empty lot. And then there's my house, it was black and white with a pool.
No, listen, see, we lived
Two houses away.
down.
She lived
It's elementary school. I didn't know who he was.
and we never spoke till like 2012.
They're building, you know, they're building all that up.
Are they really? Oh, across from
They put the methanol clinic right there.
They're building behind my house. They're making a road and they're building an apartment building on a golf course.
I just put in that clubhouse like a couple months ago.
My,
I hate high school.
my